In the last class, we have studied about the fruit, right? We have completed the flower part, then the fruit part, and now we are going to discuss that the seed. Can you tell me, after fertilization, we use the term seed. Before fertilization, seed is a which structure? Before fertilization, seed is what? Arpita.
Ovule.
Very good. Ovule, right? Ovule converts into seed after fertilization. Next, so when we see the structure of seed, in that, suppose this is a seed, right? आपने घर पे देखा होगा sprouts formation, right? Sprouts, in that from the seed two processes comes outside. So that we call the seed germination. That process we called seed germination. And when seed germination takes place, from that new plant can develop. Right? Can you tell me this label part A is what and B is what? First A. Labeled part A is what? When seed germinate. Label part A is what? I have explained this thing in first lecture of this chapter. Recall. बोलिए कीर्तन.
मैम ए प्लूम्यूल है और बी रेडिकल.
A plumule and B radical, ऐसा? Okay, चलिए. Radical develops what? Can you tell me?
मैम सूट सिस्टम.
चलो आपको radical plumule याद है, इतना बहुत है. But simply, कीर्तन, simply remember R, right? Radical forms root system, right? Mix mat karna ye. R, remember, radical, this is a radical, okay? From which the root system arises, and this one is a plumule, from which the shoot system arises, right? Now, when we see the structure of seed, so this seed has outermost layer that we call seed coat. आपने घर पे अगर ये ऑब्जर्व किया है, पता है, ग्रीन ग्राम मग, उसको स्टीम करते हैं, राइट? स्टीम करते हैं तो उसका ग्रीन लेयर सेपरेट हो जाता है, ओवर स्टीम हो जाता है ना. तो इन दैट इफ यू हैव ऑब्जर्व दिस थिंग, द कलर ऑफ द ग्रीन ग्राम इज ग्रीन, right? Because of their seed color, greenish in nature. So that green color is separated. Green color is separated. Remember, when we steam that green gram, same happens for that even green color, that magni dal, right? If you have observed this thing, it's not okay. Now whenever, okay, at your home, that's the green gram cook. So observe this thing, right? So outermost layer of the seed that we call seed coat, and inside that seed, that embryo is present. This embryo develops into radical and plumule, right? Seed ke andar embryo, and if you remember the structure of ovule, पता है मेगास्पोरेंजियम ओव्यूल का स्ट्रक्चर किया था हमने एंजियोस्पर्म में. सो ओव्यूल के अंदर होता है एक सेल, फिर ये सिनर्जीड, सेकेंडरी सेल्स, एंटीपोडल सेल्स. सो ओव्यूल्स के अंदर ही क्या है? दिस इज द zygote. When this is the egg cell. When egg cell fused with the male gamete forms zygote, zygote convert into embryo, and this entire ovule convert into seed. Seed के अंदर, that's why we get the embryo, right? So, now next. So seed converts into embryo. Now, sorry, not seed convert. Seed, inside the seed, that's the embryo is present. Now, this embryo is what basically that radical and plumule, right? Now, two types of the seeds are there on the basis of their cotyledon. Cotyledons are what? A storage in which the reserved food material is present. Green gram, when you observe, suppose this is the green gram, okay, exactly at the center at this point, okay, you find out the notch like structure, and from which we can easily cut down this seed into two equal halves, right? In case of maize मोनोकोट का एग्जांपल है. मेज में हम ऐसा नहीं कर सकते टू इक्वल हाफ्स में. Okay, cotyledon, wait, their cotyledon because present over here only in one part. When we study the monocot seed, I will explain that. But in case of dicot seed, cotyledon present in entire seed, right? So that's why two types of the seeds are there, dicotyledon seed and the monocotyledon seed. Now, first we are going to discuss dicot seed. Dicot seed in that outermost covering of the seed is the seed coat. The seed coat has two layers. This is a seed. Okay. Seed has two layers. Outer one we call testa, and inner layer, two layers seeds, remember, inner we call tegmen. Outer testa, inner tegmen, right? Inner tegmen is generally white transparent. Inner tegmen, that is generally white transparent in all cases of the seed. But this testa is different. You know green gram, so उसमें greenish color का testa layer होता है. मग में चना दाल, तो उसमें येलो कलर का हो जाता है वो, राइट? उड़द दाल व्हाइट कलर, पेल व्हाइटिश कलर. सो outer testa in that color variation occur, but inner tegment in that, remember, white transparent, right? So seed has two parts. Seed in that we are going to study two parts. First, that's the seed coat. Second, that's the embryo. Seed coat in that further two parts, outer and inner. Outer we call testa, inner we call tegment, right? Next, on the seed coat, right? On the seed coat, that one of the structure is present that we call micropyle. Okay, that structure we called micropyle. Micropyle, see this structure. Over here, hilum, and just below it, one small adjacent to it, small pore-like structure is present. That is the micropyle. Can't able to draw, but if you can make out, this is the hilum. Over here, small pore is there. This is the micropyle. Right? This is the hilum. Now, what is hilum? First, understand this. So, in seed structure, suppose this is the ovary. Inside the ovary, ovule is present. Ovule which ultimately convert into seed. Next, you know ovule has a stalk, right? So this stalk we call funicle. Stalk of the ovule is known as funicle. Now, this funicle, only this much part that fuse with the ovule. Funicle, this much part, I am talking about only this much part of the funicle that fuse with the ovule, and that region we called hilum. That region we called hilum. Here, stalk of the ovule we call funicle. Funicle fuse with the ovule, and that region we called hilum. Okay. Now next, so this region we call the hilum. So basically ये तो ovule का structure है, but ovule converts into seed. So this fusion part that on the seed that present as a scar. Scar meaning what? That's a dead tissue like structure. Scar meaning what? Dead tissue. पता है हमें कहीं पे भी कट हो जाता है, वुंड हो जाता है, फिर वुंड हीलिंग के टाइम पे पहले ब्लैकिश कलर के स्ट्रक्चर्स आते हैं, सेल्स जैसे डेड सेल्स होते हैं, blackish color, right? And then after new layer of cells is formed. So that type of cells formation over here that we call the hilum. Simple, it's a scar tissue. Hilum present on the seed coat. Basically, which one? Seed coat that we call the scar. So hilum is a scar on the seed coat through which developing seeds, ovule converting, this is the seed, ovary converts into fruit. So these developing seeds connect to the fruit. Developing seeds connect to the fruit with the help of this hilum structure. Okay, because यहाँ पे वो fusion होता है, that's why it fuse with the ovule. That's why we can say that this. Next, above the hilum, okay, on the seed, suppose this is seed is there over here that's a sorry, this is the hilum region is there on the seed just above the hilum, or we can say that the adjacent hilum, one of the small pore opening is present. That opening we call micropyle. That opening we called micropyle. Micropyle opening, पता है आपको, when we soak the seed into the water, without water actually they are very hard structure, but when we soak into the water it becomes somehow soft. ऐसा ऑब्जर्व किया है आपने? when we allow them moisture or the water, so it becomes soft. so उसके अंदर water गया कहाँ से? water entry point क्या है? this is the micropyle, right? Micropyle, it's the opening through which, okay, from the surrounding water enters, and due to that seed swelling occur, seeds become softer, right? This is the micropyle. Remember, above the hilum is a small pore called micropyle. Next, within the seed coat, so for seed coat you have to remember this thing. Seed coat के लिए पहले remember their layers. Outer we call testa, inner we call tegmen. Then remember, so their layers remember. Second, remember micropyle, that is the pore which helps in water enter into the seed. Next, second, that's the hilum that shows the attachment between that seed and the fruit. It's a scar tissue. बोलिए, clear है all this term of the seed coats, right? Next, okay. Next, that's the embryo. Inside the seed, embryo is present. Embryo is developed. I can say that embryo. This embryo develops. Embryo divided, we divide into two things: embryo axis and cotyledons. Embryo has two parts. One, that is the cotyledons, in which the reserve food material is present. You know, these seeds, particularly these pulses, we eat pulses. Why? In which material is present? Which nutrient material is present inside that pulses? We consume pulses for what purpose? To get what? Maitri.
Protein.
Yes, proteins. So these proteins are stored where? In this cotyledon. Right? These proteins are stored where? In these cotyledons. In this part, this is the large part which is covered by the cotyledon. Over here, the protein is present. Right? So this we call the cotyledons. Cotyledons is the fleshy in which the full of reserve food material is present. Now, Next thing, embryo axis is divided into two. One we call radical, other we call plumule. So embryo axis, that radical and plumule. At one end it develops the radical, at other end it develops the plumule. Radical develops the root system, plumule develops the shoot system. So for embryo, you have to remember this much. Embryo divided into two parts. One, that's the cotyledons. Second, that's the embryo axis. Cotyledons, remember, it's a fleshy structure in which reserve food material is present. Next, embryo axis, radical and plumule. Right? So first we have discussed about seed coat, जिसमें था layers, tegmentesta, then hilum, then micropyle. बोलिए इतना लर्न हुआ? सीड को डाइकोट सीड के लिए फर्स्ट इतने वर्ड्स क्लियर होने चाहिए. नेक्स्ट, next thing, that endosperm, endospermic seeds or non-endospermic seeds. Okay. See, seed का एक classification है, one of the classification of the seed on the basis of cotyledon. Two cotyledon present or one, so dicot and monocot. Another type of classification of the seed. Inside the seed, endosperm is present or not. You know endosperm development. Remember in angiosperm we have learned. Can anyone tell me how the endosperm is developed in angiosperm? बोलिए कीर्तन.
मैम एंडोस्पर्म जो होगा वो जो ओव्यूल होगा, मतलब आफ्टर जाइगोट
Fusion between which two cell? इतना बोल दो. Endosperm is developed by fusion between which two cells?
मैम जो मेल गैमेट और ओव्यूल होगा उसके बीच.
Ovule, entire ovule?
नहीं मैम, उसके अंदर जो एग सेल होगा ना,
एक
वो और
सेल?
मेल मैम
एक
ओव्यूल
सेल
के
से तो ओव्यूल में एक सेल है तो एक सेल प्लस मेल गैमेट क्या फॉर्म करेंगे? जाइगोट. रिमेंबर डबल फर्टिलाइजेशन.
यस
So other is which one? Secondary cell.
मैम पोलर न्यूक्लियस.
सेकेंडरी सेल ओव्यूल का ये एंटीपोडल, ये एक सेल, synergies over here. So two male gametes come. One fuse with this egg cell, other fuse with this secondary cell, and here the endosperm development occurs. Right? So now the concept is what? We are talking about angiosperm. So angiosperm का ये characteristic feature है that in all seed, endosperm is developed. In all seeds, endosperm is developed, right? But when we observe the seed at maturity, meaning what? Now they're ready for development of radical and plumule. This is the maturity period of the seed. So at that time, when we take a section and observe the seed, you know, in endosperm, what is the role of endosperm? Can you tell me? बोलिए कीर्तन.
मैम टू नरिश द एम्ब्रियो.
Yes, to nourish is the embryo. Correct. Right? Endosperm का role क्या होता है? To nourish is the embryo. So inside the seed, endosperm is present, in which again reserve food material is there, like the cotyledon. So endosperm से nourishment कहाँ किसको मिल रहा है? Embryo को, developing embryo, right? So in some of the seed, when we observe that, in some of the seed, when we observe, then suppose this is two seeds developing embryo here, and this is the maturity level, that radical plumule formation start, and in one seed endosperm is present, This is the initial stage. Consider this is the initial stage in both the seeds, in case of A, in case of B. Now, at the initial, in both the seeds, endosperm is there. But in some of the seed, when the development occur of the embryo, this endosperm is completely utilized. In some of the seed, this endosperm is completely utilized, and in some of the seed, it utilized, but still some portion of the endosperm is remaining inside the seed. So at maturity, when we take a section and observe, so we can, in this type of seeds, we cannot observe endosperm, yes or no? इसमें तो एंडोस्पर्म कंज्यूम हो गया टोटली, उसका जितना भी रिजर्व फूड मटेरियल था यूटिलाइज्ड हो गया बाय द डेवलपिंग एम्ब्रियो. But in this type of the seed, when we take a section, we get the endosperm. Right here, still some amount of endosperm is present. That we this if at maturity endosperm is present. At maturity, endosperm is present. We call endospermic seed. And if not, then we call non-endospermic seed. बोलिए क्लियर है? Why we call endospermic seed non-endospermic seed? Maitri, repeat this thing.
Ma'am, in A where endosperm is present, it is known as endospermic seed, and here and in B, the endosperm is
A and B
consumed.
nahi. A and B nahi. What is the definition for endospermic seed? We have to check whether endosperm is present or not. At which level? At which point? We have to check. When seed formation occur or seed maturation occur, which point?
Before maturation.
Before?
Maturation.
When seed start maturing. Okay, when seed maturation occur, remember, at that time, we have to check whether inside that seed endosperm is still present or totally consumed. If still present, we call endospermic seed. If little, okay,
Ma'am, your voice
it
is
we
not
call
coming.
non-endospermic. General, what happened?
Yes, ma'am. Now it is coming. Ma'am, before it was not coming, your voice.
Okay. Generally, majority dicots. Remember, huh? This thing ये NEET में आता है. Majority dicots are
Ma'am, you are not audible.
non-endospermic. Majority dicots are non-endospermic cells. Right? Next. Majority है, so some exceptionals are there. Exceptionals जो है, okay, remember, exceptional. That castor seed. You know castor? Castor सुना है आपने? In Gujarati we call divel. एरंड्यू. Right? So जो seeds से वो form होता है, that we call the castor. Castor seeds. So in this castor, endosperm is present, though it's a dicot. Generally तो dicot में क्या होता है? Non-endospermic. Right? But in castor, one of the example of exceptional in this castor, in which endosperm is present, right? बोलिए क्लियर है? and non-endospermic के example pulses. All pulses are non-endospermic, right? At maturity, in that endosperm is not present. Endosperm is completely utilized. Jaimin Raj, switch on your video. And आप नहीं, okay, आपका वीडियो में ट्रबल आ रहा है. Leave this meet, rejoin.
Yes, ma'am.
अरे shit. Just a second. So dicot seed, remember this term. Outermost covering we call seed coat. Then seed coat has two layers, testa and tegmen. Then next, remember this, hilum, micropyle, then embryo, embryo further divided into two, embryo axis, and this cotyledons, cotyledons reserve food store material, embryo axis, radicle and plumule, radicle form root, plumule form shoot. Generally, all dicots, majority, most of the dicot seeds are non-endospermic, but example, exceptional के example है castor, which is a endospermic, right? Now, next type of seed that we called monocot seed. Monocot seed, typical example, that's the maize grain. Typical example, maize grain. You know, it's a triangular in shape. Maize corn, you know, single seed when you take, okay? In that, first of all, shape triangular, one end is broader, other end is narrow. Here in the broader part, the reserve food material is present. And in the narrow part, that embryo is developed. Cotyledons, embryo meaning what? You should understand. Cotyledons plus embryo axis. Right? Same like a dicot. But here, embryo present only in this narrow part and this broader part which has the reserve food material. Now next, outermost covering of this maize or the monocot seed that we called, यहाँ पे हम seed coat नहीं बोलेंगे, particular new term is given, hull. Shubh, where are you?
Ma'am, you are only 5 minutes.
This one we call the hull. Now, hull meaning pericarp plus seed coat. Can anyone tell me what is pericarp? We have done this thing. Quickly, tell me what is pericarp. Jia. Jia. Sakshi.
Ma'am, it is the fruit wall.
Correct. It is the fruit wall. Fruit wall we call the pericarp, right? So ovary basically converts into fruit. So suppose consider this is the ovary for this monocot seed. Next, inside that ovule is present. Here not too much space is present between this ovary and ovule. So what happened over here, that ovary wall and the ovule both fuse with each other. We cannot separate. So this one is pericarp, this one is the seed, fruit wall or the seed. Both fuse with each other. So become a one single layer. So ovary का fruit layer भी आ गया, ovule का seed भी आ गया इसमें. So pericarp plus seed coat, here both fused with each other. That's why we call it the hull. All of you clear what is hull? Hull is a fusion of pericarp and the seed coat. Now next, in the broader region over here under the hull, this is the hull. Under the hull, that large rectangular shape in the broader region only. Okay, large rectangular shaped cells are present. These cells are known as, this layer actually known as aleuron layer. Okay? This layer is known as aleuron layer. hull and then alluron layer, right? Now next, that under the hull means this part. Here the endosperm is present. First outermost entire covering we call hull. Hull is a fusion of pericarp plus seed coat. Then under the hull, alluron layer, which are large rectangular shaped cells, and under the alluron, endosperm is present. Now, alluron in that reserve food material of protein. Alluron में क्या store होगा? Protein. Whereas in case of the endosperm, starch is stored. Okay. Inside the endosperm, starch is stored. In case of alluron, protein. This much information for the broader region. Now the next, that's the narrow region. Narrow region over here, that single ये शेप का कोटाइलिडॉन होता है उसका. Single large, okay, shield shape cotyledon is present. That single large shield shape, remember, single large shield shaped cotyledon is known as, over here particular term is given, scutellum. Single large shield shaped cotyledon is there, that we call scutellum. Monocot seed के लिए scutellum word है cotyledons के लिए. Now inside that cotyledon scutellum, embryo axis is there, radicle and plumule. So this one lower side we call radicle, upper we call plumule. Okay, here this one is radicle, this one is plumule. It will end soon, rejoin. So radicle and plumule. Here in case of monocot, radicle and plumule are very soft structure. So to develop root system, shoot system, okay, for that as a protection, they have a cap-like structure. This one which covers the root, radicle, not root, radicle, this one we call coleorhiza. And the one which covers the plumule we call